anything to dictate. Just say just installing door lock assembly for Samsung washer installation. It's really simple. You just remove the boot, and I'll show you how that goes back together. Oh, let's do this like this. Just line this up right here.
I knew you were gonna get a call.
I know.
What do you want me to do? It's a 678. Is it
Incident.
Georgia?
Pause that. Oh no, forget that.
All right.
That's that same call.
You're gonna have to edit that.
Calls me 30 times a day. No, the screws.
Oh, screws. These. Okay.
Put the boot back on. Just go around. Just like this. Stretch that piece. Get it around. Once your piece is on securely, I'm going to take this, and the last piece you want to put on is the spring.